Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove Instagram account from another device. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to remove your Instagram account from another device or other devices, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Locate and click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Click on the three lines at top right. Once clicked, click on Account Center. Now, locate and click on Password and Security Other Account Center. Once selected, you want to go ahead and locate where you see where you are logged in. Click on it. Now, select account you have under Accounts. Now, to log out or remove your Instagram account from another device, select the device you want to remove your Instagram account from the list. Once you selected it, you want to go ahead and click on the logout button. So just like this, select it, click on logout. The spot that says logout. Once log out, this is going to log out your Instagram account from the device you selected. And then you are good. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.